Honor and privilege to stand before you today, the 22nd of December 2025, to the glory of God and to the benefit of the Christian community. We are here to contribute our investment towards celebrating the Christmas ceremony by our Christian brothers and sisters of the nation, and in particular to the IDP camps. Government of Borno decided to provide each of the 1,605 IDPs, Christian IDPs residing in the IDP camps, 5 kg of rice, tea and garden oil. This is for the IDP camp and 5 goods. The remaining 5,000 bags of 25 kg rice, 1,000 cartons of spaghetti, and then 1,000 grams of oil and 15 cows shall be distributed to the bottom poor Christians within the community. And we believe we shall increase it next year, inshallah. And it is my sincere hope that the long-standing relationship between the two heads, Muslims and Christians, and the Muslims, will continue to reign. May Almighty Allah bless the Christian community, bless the Muslim community, and ensure that there is peaceful coexistence between the two faiths. Quran, Islam religion knowledge has clearly stated that Islam requires simple coexistence between Muslims and non-Muslims. That is the teaching of the Quran. And I believe the same Bible has also fully things to what I said so. And I'm happy to announce that we don't have any religious crisis in the North from inception to now. And all of us are the same. And we pray that Almighty Allah will bless all of us on this earth. It is a singular honor and privilege to hand over to the country these materials for honor distribution to the affected communities. But, coordination is very important. Without effective coordination, we shall never explore the potentials of the state government. There shouldn't be two captains in one ship. We have one recognized town leader, and I believe we shall work together with him. Likewise, in Islam and Borno, we have the Shakwa. That's why we have different groups. We have the Nigerianpolitics and Counter-Sunnah. We have the Government of Islam. We have the Tijani and others. But they all fall under the umbrella of the Government of Islam. In whose leadership, the Shakwa of Borno is the deputy President of the Supreme Council of Islam. So we shall continue to interface with you, but we need effective coordination because we need somebody to point to us who is who in our society. And I want to assure you that those churches that were destroyed that have not been reconstructed and also be completed. The chairman of the Church Construction Committee, Dr. Zare, is written to me that there is one lingering church that has not been completed. We shall complete it, and also other churches that have not been completed will also be completed. So, God, I want to thank you most sincerely to come here, to see me, to receive me, and I want to assure you that God of the message will provide the needed support to our Christian brothers. I will receive your letters, and letters will be studied and focused, and will come in for a meeting with the youth and present some of the challenges that we are facing. Thank you very much.